like the moon in the arms of the sky. And I will keep you warm. I will build a fire in this house. And I'll build a fire, you fetch the water, and I'll lay the table. And in our hearts we still pray for sons and daughters. And all those evenings out in the garden with red, red wine, those quiet hours turning to years. And I'll wrap myself round your heart. I'll be the walls of his heart. And I'll keep a light on to call you back home. And I'll build a fire, you fetch the water, and I'll lay the table. And in our hearts we still pray for sons and daughters. And all those evenings out in the garden with red, red wine, those quiet hours turning to years. And so to come. For now we're still young, we're just building our kingdom, but it's all to come. And I'll build a fire, you fetch the water, and I'll lay the table. And in our hearts we still pray for sons and daughters. And all those evenings out in the garden, red, red wine, those quiet hours turning to years. And it's all to come. For now